How to avoid losing money in Monopoly Go. To avoid losing money in Monopoly Go, there are a couple of steps that you can follow. But before that, hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. So the first is you can spend your cash on landmark upgrades before closing the app, build only during discount events like Builder's Bash, and keep your shields fully charged to block incoming attacks. So the first is to also empty your bank. Never leave large amounts of cash sitting idle. Other players can steal your savings through bank heists. You also want to build immediately, because if you have enough cash to upgrade or build landmarks, do it before you close the game, because getting your landmarks shut down later is cheaper than letting a massive heist wipe out your balance. You can also build during special events. Wait for the Builder's Bash and also pair with Wheel Boost. These are a couple of ways that you can choose to avoid losing money on Monopoly Go. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.